Show Kampa, where's the turkey? Okay, good. Okay, show me where's the cow? What is this? Show properly. Which one is boo? Put down first. Show me which one is boo first. Okay, which one is cow? Where's the cow? Why is it cow? Okay, good. Okay, good. Show Kampa the buffalo. Where's the buffalo? Okay, good. Where is the cat? Where's the cat? Okay, good boy. Okay, show Kampa where's the rabbit? Okay, good. Come look for the duck. Where's the duck, Javier? Go and look for the duck. Where's the duck? Yeah, that is put down first. You go and take the duck first. Where's the duck? Show Kampa the duck first. Come on, Javier. Show the duck first, Javier. Dog, okay. But I want duck. Go to the duck first. Go and look for the duck. Go and look for the duck, Javier. Where's the duck? Okay, come. Show Kampa where's the duck. Where's the goose? Which one is goose? Yeah, duck. Okay, so the other one is what? Okay, goose, good. Okay, go to the camel. Where's the camel? Look for the camel. Good. Go and take the camel and show Kampa. Camel. Good boy. Okay, where's the donkey? Go and look for the donkey. Donkey where? Where's Javier donkey? Yes, come over and point. Point. Good job. Okay, where's the goat? Where's the goat, Javier? Goat where? Where's the goat? Yes, come here and point and show Kampa. Point it. Okay, where's the goat? Show. Clever boy. Okay, go to the dog. Where's the dog? Where's the dog? Yes, clever boy. Dog. Okay, you know where's the rooster? Look for rooster. Where's rooster? Yes, point it and show. Yeah, you know the rooster. Where is it? Show again. Where's the rooster? Yes, good job. Where's the horse? Look for the horse. Where's the horse? Oh, drop. That is not. Where's the horse? Look, where's the horse? Slowly check. Where's the horse? Yes, good job. Where's the turkey? Where's the turkey? Yes. Where's the hen? Okay, very good. Where's the sheep now, baby? Baby, where's the sheep? Okay, good job.